Logging into YouTube on a Samsung Smart TV is quick and simple, thanks to Samsung's smooth Tizen operating system. Whether you're using a new model or an older one, the sign-in steps are nearly identical. Here's the clean, step-by-step guide. Start by pressing the Home button on your Samsung remote. Navigate to the YouTube app. It's usually pre-installed. If you don't see it, go to Apps, search for YouTube, and install it. Open the YouTube app and move to the left side menu. Scroll up until you see your profile icon. Select it, then choose Sign In. Your TV will now display a unique 6 to 8-digit activation code. Keep this screen open. Next, grab your phone or computer and go to youtube.com/start-sign-in with your Google account, the one you use for YouTube. Enter the activation code exactly as it appears on your TV. Tap Next, then confirm that you want to link the Samsung TV. Within a few seconds, your TV will auto-refresh and log into your YouTube account. Your playlists, subscriptions, watch history, and personalized feed will appear immediately. If something goes wrong, select Try Again to generate a fresh code, restart your TV, make sure VPNs or ad-blocking DNS settings are turned off. After signing in, your YouTube experience becomes completely personalized. Just like on your phone or laptop,